Why is astrobiology important for terraforming Mars? Imagine a future where humans walk on a planet that once seemed impossible to live on. That's the goal of terraforming Mars, turning it into a new home. But before we do that, we need to understand the potential for life beyond Earth. Astrobiology is the science that studies how life begins, evolves, and spreads across the universe. It helps us figure out if Mars might already have some form of life or if we could introduce new life safely. First, astrobiology helps us find out if any native Martian life exists. If microbes or other organisms are already on Mars, we need to protect them. Altering the environment without considering existing life could wipe out unique ecosystems. Protecting native life is both an ethical choice and a scientific priority. Second, astrobiology guides us in choosing the right microorganisms and plants to introduce. We look for extremophiles, organisms that survive in harsh conditions on Earth. These microbes can help break down Martian soil, releasing nutrients and creating a more Earth-like environment. They act as pioneers, starting the process of making the soil fertile and helping plants grow later on. Third, astrobiology helps us develop ways to engineer biological systems that can survive and thrive on Mars. For example, photosynthetic microbes could produce oxygen and greenhouse gases. These gases would warm the planet and thicken its atmosphere, making it more suitable for larger plants and eventually humans. Finally, astrobiology provides models for how ecosystems evolve over long periods. On Earth, soil formation and plant growth happen alongside microbes. Understanding this coevolution helps us plan how to create a stable, self-sustaining environment on Mars over hundreds or thousands of years. In practical terms, astrobiology supports terraforming by identifying which life forms could be introduced, how to protect native ecosystems, and how to build biological systems that improve soil and atmosphere. It also offers insights into how ecosystems might develop naturally on Mars over time. Without astrobiology, we'd be guessing about how to turn Mars into a livable world. It connects our knowledge of biology, planetary science, and ecology to create realistic plans for future missions. This science is essential for making Mars a new home for humans and other Earth life in the future.